FreeBSD reviews, tutorials and gaming.
Just FreeBSD is a series of videos where I look at applications and programs and utilities that were either created on or created for FreeBSD or FreeBSD derivatives such as TrueOS and GhostBSD. First we'll install Fluxbox, and in this case I'll install Fluxbox via package. Pre-made packages, usually easier to set up and get going. It won't take 2 seconds to download. It's not a very large number of files. And in this case it's version 1.3.7 of Fluxbox, which I think came out in 2015. So I think the project's gone to sleep a little bit again. I know there is an active development branch, but I don't tend to use that. Are we ready? There we go. Now we need to install Xorg. Without that we're not going to get any display. And seeing as it's quite a large meta package, it will call in a lot of other files. I'll skip this to spare you the shall we say the wonderful experience of sitting through endless scrolling text. Now that's installed, we need to install the display manager itself, PCDM. It's a mid-size installation, and I'll skip towards the end to save you again from the scrolling text. But just to say that PCDM was taken originally from PCBSD, which then morphed into TrueOS and then ported over to FreeBSD. So in a circular way it came back, because PCBSD and TrueOS are actually just FreeBSD with a already configured desktop created for it, Lumina, and so in a way it's come back to the parent distribution. The first alteration we're making is to the pcdm.conf file, which will allow us to put a more FreeBSD look to the login manager, because the default theme is for TrueOS, which is fine. I mean, it's a good theme, but if you want personalised towards FreeBSD, we just make one simple change, and that's to tell the login manager to use the FreeBSD theme. Now we add 2 lines to the rc.conf file. One is to start dbus if it's not already there as a daemon running in the background, and the second is to tell the system to start PCDM as soon as it hits the console login. Now that we've managed to install all the things that we need and made all the necessary adjustments to the config files, it's now time to reboot it. And once the system is rebooted, it will go and, well, it should go straight into the login manager, desktop manager. We will log in, put a login name and password, and it should boot into Fluxbox, which it has done. Now that's it. I'll exit out. If we can find the menu, there you go. And exit. My own time. Thank you. And that'll take us back to the login screen. And from there we can shut the computer down. And that's it. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Just as an extra piece of information that occurred to me after I actually made the main video, the reason why I chose Fluxbox is because in the user local share X session folder, there are a few, I've only listed 3 on the screen, but there are a few from IceWM to GNOME Classic. There's quite a few of already pre-configured menu choice options of desktops to log into. They take the format of _ desktop name .desktop, and in Fluxbox, obviously, you know, it's already done there, so that's why it went so smoothly for me. But if you want to add your own desktop, say for instance, I don't know, Motif Window Manager, which I use all the time on my main PC, or you know, GNOME 3 or whatever you want to use, you have to create a .desktop file for the login manager to see it and for you to log in with. So if you don't do that, all you'll do is just it'll keep resetting and asking for password and login details, and it won't actually know how to log in. So if you want to know how to create a .desktop file, just open one of the ones in that folder up and just give it an examination, and they're pretty self-explanatory of what you need to do.